and welcome to my channel, the best place for all the activists and all the introverts in business. Let's go straight to this video. Today's topic is which platform to choose, and I want to give you some very actionable steps you can implement right away. First of all, don't be everywhere. This is the mistake I make. I just get in this constant content creation wheel because I was trying to be in every single platform. So how to choose the best platform for you, and what are the main things to be aware of? What is the most important by choosing the platform where you are? Don't just look where, for example, your competition is, because your competition can have different strength. Like, for example, they might be writing very well and therefore they might be very good bloggers, but they are very crap on videos, and you are very good on videos. So this is not something you should be really considering, okay? You can look where your competitions are to give you idea on which platform your ideal client is engaging with. So I would use it as this kind of indicator. First platform which you have to choose is the evergreen platform. What that means is basically the content which is going to stay longer on this platform, okay? It's not gonna just disappear. So you've got two types of evergreen platforms, which is the Google. So you've got all the blog posts, all the websites. If you've got very good SEO, it actually can push you a little bit further on Google. So it's gonna stay there. You know, your blog post is gonna stay there. So if somebody looking for this kind of content, they will see you next week, next month, next year. It just literally stays there. The same is with YouTube, because the YouTube is owned by Google, and YouTube operates also as a search engine. So I would suggest you to either do the blog or have a YouTube channel, even if you are introvert. Don't worry if this sounds scary. Stay with me. I'm gonna give you some tips in other videos. So now you know that you have to be on the platform which creates and sustain evergreen content. You also have to be on platform which will allow you to sell. So one of my favorite platform where I'm selling is Instagram, and it's on Facebook, because you can scale your business by using Facebook ads, and you can repurpose your content. So the things which you are using in the YouTube channel, you can use, for example, as a reels when you cut them down, just to make be aware of it, that the reels don't stay as long as the YouTube videos. They stay probably like 2 weeks, which is still not bad because the stories stays just 24 hours. Be mindful how long your content is going to stay on this platform, because you don't want to be in this constant hamster wheel of content creation, because you're just gonna put yourself to the burnout. I've been there, and it's very not a pretty place to be. Please consider the shelf life of your content. Choose which one you feel comfortable. For example, I absolutely hate doing reels, even though I love the YouTube, but I don't do reels. I don't do this stupid pointing in the air, because I just don't like it. So I don't do it. The same, I don't do podcasts because I think it's just way too much hassle. So you're never gonna find me on Clubhouse, for example. And the last thing when it comes to choosing your platform is the nature of your business. As somebody who's got 4 businesses, 2 of them are service-based and 2 of them are product-based, I know that some platforms are, for example, different. So I'm using, for my service-based businesses, I'm using Facebook, I'm using Instagram, and I'm using YouTube. But for the platform which sell my products, I'm using Pinterest, for example, because it's like picture-related platform. I'm also using Instagram and also leveraging TikTok. But I'm not using blogs, and I'm not using YouTube. So just please keep in mind in which kind of business you own, in which platform you feel the most comfortable, and which platform are already your clients at. If you like this video, please click the like button, subscribe, and share it with everyone, because the world needs more us introverts and activists in business. As always, love you so much, and I see you very shortly. Bye!